Continuation na niya sa report ni Julian Gamayon ang is experience in Hong Kong. Si Rizal is nagstay siya sa Hong Kong for 2 weeks, then he studied Chinese life, language, drama, and customs. Then sa stay ni Rizal sa Hong Kong, na siya diary, na siya gisulat. Ang primero is noisy celebrations of the New Year, which instead from 11th Saturday and 13th Monday. So dito daw is kung dato daw ang Chinese is the more firecrackers are exploded. So ang ikaduha is boisterous Chinese theatre with noisy audience and noisier music and the Chinese dramatic art. Tas dito sa sulod sub is sa theater is nagyapon nabantayan si Rizal nga na siya nabantayan dito sa sulod mo nang primero is a man astride a stick means he is riding a horse. Second is an actor using his leg means he is entering a house. Then ang ikatulo is a red dress indicates a wedding. Then ang last is a girl about to be married coyly covers her face, signifies he is about to ride a horse. Then ang ikatulo niyang experience dito is the Marathon Lorient Party. So kani siya is a longest meal in the world. Tas ang nakakuan dito ng mga pagkaon is mga dried fruits, shrimps, and century eggs. Then ang ikaapat is a Dominican order as the richest religious order. Dito is gi-own sa naay 700 own house rent og na sila kuan foreign bank and $1 million deposit. Then ang ikalima na experience dito sa Hong Kong is ang cemetery dito kay nagabilong sa tulo ka buok which is ang Protestant, Catholic, and Muslim. Then ang Catholic Church is ang pinaka grande dito nga kuan cemetery kay expensive, Muslims, and extravagantly corpse capture. Then ang Protestant dito is grown plants, then hinlo ang ilang pathway dito. Tas ang ang Muslim is ang pinaka simple nga cemetery dito kay naga-contain siya sa a little mosque and tombstone with Arabic nga sinulatan. Then departure from Hong Kong. Nilakaw si Rizal sa Hong Kong kay on February 22, 1888. Ang iyang gisakyan is on board American steamer Oceanic. Ang sud niya ani na destination is sa Japan. Tapos dito sa iyang gisakyan is dili siya ganahan sa pagkaon dito sa ship na iyang gisakyan, pero ganahan siya dito kay limpyo. Then well managed. Thank you.